Hi learners, you're welcome to our third lesson in science. We are still under electricity and electronics. Electricity and electronics. You are expected to, at the end of the lesson, identify conductors, semiconductors, and insulators. Conductors, semiconductors, and insulators. I'm sure these materials are familiar with you, but we need to learn into detail what they are. Now, the lesson starter. We are supposed to state whether the following materials I'm about to display will conduct electricity or not. So we have ceramic bowl, we have steel nails and screws, we have rubber basketball, we have rubber tie, copper penny or copper coin, we have plastic toy, metal chain, scissors or steel scissors, we have glass, and we have steel spoon. So which of them will conduct electricity and which ones will not conduct electricity? So now let's look at the answers. So you can see for yourself under those materials that can conduct electricity, we have steel nail screws, we have the metal chain, we have the spoon, we have the steel scissors, we have the copper coin, and then those that cannot conduct electricity, we have plastic toy, ceramic bowl, rubber basketball, rubber tie. Now, let us move on to look at the specific keywords or terminologies used to describe materials that conduct electricity and those that do not conduct electricity. So we're going to explain conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. Still with the pictures, let's take the first one. Conductors. Conductors. We're saying conductors are materials that allow electric current to flow through them. These are materials that allow electric current to flow through them. Examples are nails, screws, scissors, steel spoon, metal chain, etc. Now we just look at conductors. So in contrast, we have insulators. And what are insulators? These are materials that do not allow electric current to flow through them. These are materials that do not allow electric current to flow through them. So examples are glass, ball, leather ball to be specific, because I've seen metal ball used in some places. We have plastic toy, we have rubber tie. Now the T-Y-R-E spelling is British and the T-I-R-E is American. Then we have ceramic bowl, we have rubber basketball, and so on. Now let's look at the third one. The third one, I call it the betweener. So what are semiconductors? These are materials whose conductivity, and conductivity as explained in the bracket, that's ability to carry electric charges or electric current, is between that of conductors and insulators. These are materials whose conductivity is between that of conductors and insulators. They are neither good conductors nor good insulators. So they are between, or they are betweeners. Now you may ask, then why are we discussing them? Why are they important? In fact, the examples, which include diode, transistors, solar cell, LED, photocell, will inform you how important semiconductors are in the electronic industry. You have heard of microchip before. Microchip consists of millions of transistors, which contain semiconductors. This tells you how important semiconductors are. Now, they contain specific elements called silicon and germanium. Another compound is gallium arsenic or gallium arsenide are all the constituents of most semiconductor devices. What have we learned? Today, we learned about materials that conduct electricity, those that do not conduct electricity, and those whose conductivity is between that of conductors and insulators. We are bringing our third lesson to an end with a reminder that the exercise I have uploaded on this lesson consists of simple electric circuits with one part open for you to put in some selected materials and determine which of them will allow current to flow to light up the bulb when the switch is closed. So make sure you download the exercise, study the diagrams, and answer the questions accordingly. Till we meet again, bye-bye.